Hey y'all, I'm back with another addition to the Eternal Return Food Recreation series, the series where I recreate the consumables in the game in real life. Today is something a bit different. Healing potions are technically non-actual food item in the real world, but I figured I could recreate it anyways. In the game, the recipe is oriental herb plus flour to make an orchid and then combined with glass bottles. Seems easy enough. Please remember that I stream all of my cooking and Eternal Return gameplay along with other games on Twitch. Please check me out, link is down below. To start things off, get a pot of water boiling, then over to a mug. I'll be using oolong tea bags. This is going to represent the oriental herb ingredient because oolong does have that herbal flavor. Pour the water into the mug and let the tea steep for a few minutes. For the flower ingredient, I'm going to be using osmanthus leaves. Osmanthus tea has a very floral and sweet flavor, so I think this could be a good option. Allow the leaves to steep in simmering water for a few minutes, then strain into a mug. You could optionally leave the leaves in if you like. I omitted them this time because I like to be as close to the in-game version as possible. Allow both of these teas to come down to room temperature. Meanwhile, let's work on the part that will turn the drink red. In a saucepan, add 1 cup of water along with 1 cup of granulated sugar on medium heat. Add strawberries or any red fruit of your choice and allow the mixture to simmer. Mash the strawberries to help extract the juices and color out and continue to simmer until the sugar has fully dissolved. Strain into a bowl and allow to cool down to room temperature. So now we have the 3 components, the oolong tea, the osmanthus tea, and the strawberry syrup. In a large jar, combine 1 part oolong tea and 1 part osmanthus tea, then add 1 to 2 parts of strawberry syrup until the mixture is a nice red. Pour the mixture into a quote-unquote glass bottle. As you can see, I tried to imitate the in-game model by adding some aluminum foil to my glass bottle. It's nice, no? Optionally, you can add some sort of milk or dairy if you like to make a milk tea as well. But there we have it, the healing potion from Eternal Return. Fairly simple, but I hope that you enjoyed this recipe, and if you try to make it at home, the drink will hopefully revitalize you and heal you just as it does in the game. If you enjoyed, please remember to like, subscribe, and share the video. Let me know what else you'd like to see, and I'll see you on the next one.